Hi everyone. In this video, we will be doing past microeconomic question. We will solve it, and this is the part 1 of solving microeconomics question of NetGRF economics papers. So first is your elasticity question. So this is from June 2015 paper 3rd. As you can see, the question is given the demand function as this and the average and marginal revenue at Q are respectively. So question says we need to find average revenue and marginal revenue at Q3. Okay, let's do this. First of all, you need to find, in this case, TR. So TR is P multiply Q. So we'll put this, then you will solve it. So this is your TR function. Now we have to differentiate TR with respect to Q to find marginal revenue. When you differentiate it, it will be like this. So now put Q in this function. So your marginal revenue is 8. Now we have to find average revenue. So for average revenue, you have total revenue here. Divide this equation with Q and you have average revenue. So put put 3 in this equation. So you will find AR is 14. So in this case you have MR is 8 and AR is 14. So your answer is C. Let's do a second question. So second question, we have been given total cost function and at price 5 we have to find marginal cost. This is question from December 2014 paper 3rd. So first of all, we have been given total cost function, so we need to find marginal cost from this function. Okay, so differentiate this function with respect to Q. So you have this. So this is your marginal cost function, and at price 5 we have to find marginal cost. So as we can see, we have marginal cost, we have price, and we need to find marginal cost. But in this case it is not easy to find quantity because we have been given incomplete information. In this case we cannot solve this question more than this. You can find Q by putting MR is equal to MC, but you will not able to solve this question. Even if you try, you will get different answer and the answer wouldn't match here in this case. So this question is wrong. This question is wrong from 2014 paper 3rd December. So you mark any question, any answer, you will be getting marks in these questions in exams. Next we have the average cost function is given AC and the level of output at which average cost is equal to marginal cost we need to find. We need to find Q at which average cost is equal to marginal cost. So first of all, we need to find total cost. So what is total cost? AC multiply Q. So in this case Q is as X, okay, represented by X. So we multiply it AC with X, you will find new function, total cost function is this. Okay, now we differentiate total cost function with the Q with X. Okay, when differentiate it, it will be like this. Now we put average cost is equal to marginal cost. So we have average cost function here, and we have marginal cost function. Okay, now we'll solve it more. Okay, so you will find x is equal to 15. So at the output 15 you have average cost is equal to marginal cost. So in this question your answer is C. Next question, we have been given the production function question. As you can see, the production function is a complex production function where Q is equal to A L की power alpha and K की power beta. Now A alpha and beta should be greater than 0. It is given in the question, and this is the question from December 2013, paper 3rd. So we need to find increasing return to scale. So if you know the properties of a Cobb-Douglas production function, where it says if alpha and beta is equal to 1, then you have a constant return to scale. If alpha and beta is greater than 1, you have an increasing return to scale, and if alpha and beta is less than 1, you have a decreasing return to scale. Okay, so in this case constant, in this case increasing, in this case decreasing return to scale. So you have answer D. Okay.